So SYNNEX Cloud Labs is a piece of groundbreaking technology that we put for our partners to help them accelerate in their technology adoption. What they are able to do is run POCs with their end customers with real-life scenarios and simulated environments, and therefore even bring situations that otherwise they would need to invest to recreate these environments. Today, we have shared with our partners many of these pieces of technology, such as Microsoft Fabric, Agentic AI, and also Copilot. But in addition to that, and knowing that Microsoft is putting a key focus on security, we also introduced Cloud Labs for security. It is important to mention that many of our partners that utilizing Cloud Labs today 4x the amount of knowledge and, more importantly, consumption to those who aren't. Therefore, I just can recommend for partners, join us and accelerate your business with SYNNEX Cloud Labs.